Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping further crashes and preserving progress. Back up your save folder now so you can test freely. Next, update your GPU drivers because outdated drivers often cause memory or shader crashes. Install the latest WHQL or vendor build and reboot. Once done, open your launcher and verify game files. This replaces corrupted assets that trigger startup failures. Make sure to run the launcher as administrator so file repairs complete without permission errors, which prevents repeat crashes during testing. Now you tackle runtime causes. Disable every mod and relaunch. Mods are the most frequent culprits, so re-enable them one by one to find the offender. Simultaneously, lower demanding graphics settings because RAM or CPU spikes often crash the game. Reduce textures, shadows, and particle counts to relieve load. Also change display mode to borderless or windowed and cap the frame rate at 60 to avoid unstable high FPS behavior. If crashes stop after these steps, you've narrowed the problem to mods or GPU stress. Finally, apply deeper system repairs. Update Windows, DirectX, and Visual C++ runtimes because missing system libraries can produce unpredictable crashes. Try launch flags to switch rendering, use DX11 or DX12, and add NavSync or windowed to change how the game interacts with your GPU. If problems persist, collect crash logs from the game and Larian launcher, reset the game's config files by renaming the config folder, and then reinstall clean. Quick tip: if reinstall fails, delete shader cache and retest before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.